My name is Mamami, and today we talk about discipline. Why discipline is important in our life? Can you think? Ever you think about this? Why discipline is important in our life? Discipline plays a very critical role in our life. So discipline is the backbone of success because it helps in managing time effectively, ensuring a task completed in time. For example, in an academic setting, disciplined students are more likely to succeed because they prioritize their studies and avoid distractions. So that's why they very struggle in their study times also. Discipline also fosters a sense of responsibility and accountability. Moreover, discipline is essential for success and personal growth. That's we all want. But we all not have discipline, so that's why we are standing here and the successful man here. Okay. By practicing discipline, one can develop a strong work ethics. By achieving what? Discipline, just simple. By practicing discipline daily, one can develop a strong work ethics. So ultimately, discipline is the key to achieving long-term success. Not only the success, discipline is the key to achieving long-term success. If you have the key, that's name is discipline, you can achieve everything. So discipline is a key to achieving long-term success and fulfilling. And discipline is also fulfilling your dreams, discipline also leading a very good life and fulfilling your dreams. Because once a greatest man said that discipline takes you where your own potential couldn't. Once a greatest man said very right because डिसिप्लिन टेक्स यू वेयर योर ओन पोटेंशियल couldn't. डिसिप्लिन आपको वहां लेके जा सकता है जहां आपको आपकी खुद की क्षमता भी नहीं लेके जा सकती. हो सकता है आपने क्षमता ना हो कि आप क्लास में टॉप मारो, पर अगर आप में डिसिप्लिन है तो अगर आप रोज डिसिप्लिन के साथ एक ही काम को करते हो जो कि पढ़ाई है, अगर आप डिसिप्लिन के साथ पढ़ाई करते हो रोज तो डिसिप्लिन आप में वो पोटेंशियल नहीं है पर डिसिप्लिन आपको वहां लेके जाएगा जहां टॉप में लेके जाएगा. तो यही बोला है कि डिसिप्लिन टेक्स यू वेयर योर ओन पोटेंशियल couldn't. आपकी खुद की पोटेंशियल आपको वहां पे नहीं लेके जा सकती जहां आपको डिसिप्लिन लेके जा सकता है. Because at the end discipline always win. So that's why discipline is very important in our life, in our daily life, because without discipline we cannot do our work properly. Our mind has very type of such distractions, many mobile phones, TV, or maybe something. So the main thing is we all one thing I want to share with you. We all want success. We all have to successful in our life, but we all have to become successful in our life. But we don't have discipline. Let's be all know. Without discipline, how we achieve a long-term success? How we become a successful man without discipline? Have you ever think about it? No, you never. So that's why discipline is very important in our life. Without discipline, we are not able to achieve long-term success. That is very small success that someone is achieving in their life. Okay, so thank you.